Today we're using Cherry Desire by Sexy Smooth Wax, and this message is for Miss Amber. So Miss Amber, you said you don't like the wax. It keeps cracking and breaking on you, but you have to make sure you're using it correctly. So as you can see here, I have my strip on. I'm making sure that it's nice and full and that the edges of the strip is complete and there's like no thinning. Once you do that, make sure that the strip is completely dry. It should take about 10 seconds or less for the strip to dry. It just depends if your AC's on. It depends if your client's a sweater. It all will vary. Take it off nice and clean, and no breakage should happen. You should have a full entire strip. Now, when you go to do your cleanup strips, you definitely have to make sure you pick up less wax because there's barely any hairs there. And still try to make sure you clean up the edges and close the edges of the strip. And you should have no problems using this wax once you do that. Also, guys, remember, I don't own Sexy Smooth Wax. If you guys have any questions or inquiries, you guys can submit a contact form on their website. Follow up with your aftercare whenever you're waxing, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this answered your question, Amber. Bye.